Hey, my name's James Nicholson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, this video, we're going to talk about cheap houses in 2023. How can you get some? Because the market is moving in a downward trend right now. And so this could be the biggest opportunity that you've been waiting for since 2009. It's the opportunity of a lifetime for many. Now, this channel is going to keep you informed. It's going to help you grow your property portfolio. And I want you to help me to grow this channel even more by joining us on this journey together, right? We've got 3,000 of you beautiful people subscribed already. Our next target is to get to 5,000 people as quickly as we can. How can you help? Take that finger of power, smash that subscribe button over there and hit the bell notification. You don't want to miss out on content right now because this is the fastest moving market we've had in quite some time. We've also got 50,000 views each month. We want to grow that to 100,000. So hit that like button, guys. Go on. I'll wait. Smash that like button over there. Turn it blue, because when you do that, that gets the YouTube gods to get me more eyeballs on the video. So thank you for doing that. Now, the market has turned, and this could be the biggest opportunity that you've been waiting for. You see, I come across people all the time that tell me they want to invest in property, but the house prices are too expensive. Well, the market's changed. Prices are coming down. We've had 2 consecutive months now where prices have come down. November 2022, just that 1 month, they went down 2.3%. And we know that that's going to continue because the people that completed in November, they started buying in the summer, way before the mini budget, way before multiple interest rate rises that we've had since then. So it makes sense that the property market is going to continue to fall. Now, whether it's a full-on crash, a soft landing, nobody knows for sure. But what I do know is in times of uncertainty, there are going to be certain people that just want to offload their properties. And if you know how to find those, you're going to make some great deals. So, where can you get these types of property? Well, there's 3 Ds that really impact finding good deals in property. And unfortunately, the first one is death, right? So property deals that go into probate. Now, they can be a great way to get deals because the people selling just want the money. They don't want hassle. They just want to get access to the money. They don't want to keep holding the property. You see, if they hold it, maybe they've now got to pay council tax and maintenance and all these sorts of things. So they want to get rid of that deal pretty fast. So if you can find people that have got probate deals, that could be one opportunity for you. Now, this one is going to be, unfortunately, something that is much more common. Now, there are going to be people that have got more debt. That's what happens in recessions, right? Which we're just about to have the longest recession, the Bank of England says, in 100 years. So debt is rising, and that is also being impacted because interest rates are rising. So that debt is harder to manage. Now, if you can find some people that need to sell their properties that little bit faster, they might take a better deal. And so you might get below market value deals. Also, unfortunately, this is something else that is going to rise during a recession, always does, is divorce, right? Because of things like this. Debt puts pressure on family households, and so ultimately more people are going to get divorced because of things like losing their job, and all these things put strains on relationships, guys. And so if you can find someone that's divorced, or divorcing, there's a high chance they'll want to sell the property quick so they can go their separate ways, right? You can go their separate ways. So where do you find all these people? Where can you find these good deals? Well, look, there's going to be deals on the normal places. So Rightmove, right? Rightmove will have deals more than ever before, right? So some people are selling. That's a traditional route. They're going to be selling through estate agents. And look, agents know what the market is. They want to get transactions done. So they will push people to just go for a more realistic price and get those deals done. So Rightmove is a normal place. Now, if someone is selling in a non-traditional place, they could also be a great place to buy. Now, people, believe it or not, sell their houses on Rightmove, and let's put Facebook as well. Facebook Marketplace, I've seen people trying to sell their houses through these places. Now, that's because they don't want to pay the agent fees, or for some reason, something's making them not go through an agent. Now, these can be good deals. Sometimes when you find these initially, they'll have unrealistic expectations. They want to sell more than the agent would have advised them to sell for. So you can offer, you can go and view the property, and then just keep in touch. And as they get more realistic with their price, and as the market keeps correcting, by following up with those people, they'll often in the future take a better deal. Now, some of them straight away might take a good price. Some of them might take a little bit of work. And so you need to figure out how much can you afford, how much cash flow is it going to make you, what's the rate that you're going to get of interest. All of this stuff is important to know leading into the deal, but they can be good places to get deals. Now, you can get deals by just flyering areas that you want to see, right? So if your investment patch is your local area, print some flyers and say that you buy houses fast, and these transactions will come to you. You'll get inquiries, which is going to be really, really important. So flyers can be a great way to get leads, and you can do that. Another way is landlord letters, right? So go direct to landlords. So how can you do that? Well, every person that has an HMO, the local council create a list of those landlords, and you can get their name, address, and contact details. Send them a letter. Tell them that you're interested in their property, because the chances are maybe that HMO has got a little bit more stressful recently for them. Maybe they bought it in their personal name. And if they bought it in their personal name, it's not going to be very tax efficient at the moment. So you could buy that from them and put that into a limited company. So that could be an opportunity to get some deals for you as well. And the last one, which I think is probably one of the best, which hasn't been very good recently, is auctions. And so in the last 2 years, auctions have been crazy. Some auctions have had houses sell for more than they would have sold if they went through an estate agent on Rightmove for the last 2 years. Now, the last 2 months, that's changed because there's less funding in the market. So there are less buyers bidding on those properties in auctions, and already significant price drops have happened, or properties that just didn't sell at all during that auction. And that's interesting, right? If you can grab one of those deals, they can be really, really powerful. And so auctions are going to be a great way. There's going to be so much inventory going into the auction, some repossessions, some people that just want to sell fast and get cash, and they don't want to go through the traditional estate agent route and stuff like that. There's going to be various different reasons, isn't there, guys, of why people sell in an auction, and that could be an opportunity for you to really, really, really grab some discount properties. So 2023 is going to see a correction in the market. We've done a video yesterday that you may have watched already. If you didn't, go back and watch it, talking about how long the market is going to drop for and what needs to be there to make sure that the market comes back good. And so while that's happening, there are going to be some opportunities. And 2008, 2009 and 2010, investors got some of the best deals that we've had for absolute decades. And that is your opportunity as well to grab some incredible deals that stack up, that you can add to your portfolio to start growing that income and really taking your investment journey to the next level. Now is the time to start thinking about getting educated and make sure you know how to be a full-time property investor. I'd like to know what you think. How else could you get some cheap houses at the moment? Maybe I've missed something off the list, and maybe we need to add that on here too. Comment below and let me know. If you didn't earlier, what are you doing? But if you didn't earlier, quickly give me a like on the video, guys. That really helps me with YouTube. It gets more views and more eyeballs on there. We're trying to give free education here and help you grow a property portfolio. If you didn't as well, subscribe, guys. Help me get to 5,000 subscribers. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. Check out all the content on my channel. We've got new content every single day. We're one of the only people that does daily videos on property. And do check out all the content, including this video right here. Bye for now.